Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to get spins in Jujutsu Infinity. Now, the first method to get the spins for free is to simply try to complete the tutorial, and this will give you 20 spins. The second method is to try to complete your daily missions. So you can go to the missions as displayed right here, do all your daily missions, and probably one of these missions will give you spins. Another method is to complete the story missions. As long as you progress in the story, you'll get also free spins. And the most important method to get these spins for free is to simply redeem some codes. To do that, you should go to the menu like this, then go to customize, and after that you will find here on the right side this box redeem code here. You can get some codes from YouTubers or content creators and redeem them for free spins. And you can also use some of the Google points to get Robux, and after that you can purchase spins with your free Robux. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.